Hello everyone, welcome back to PyGorithm, your go-to channel for learning Python with fun and engaging projects. Today we have a really exciting tutorial lined up for you. We are going to dive into the world of web scraping with Python. And guess what? We are targeting one of the most popular websites out there, IMDb. Yes, you heard it right. We will scrap the top 250 movies listed on IMDb. So let's get started. Before we jump into coding, let's understand what web scraping is. In simple terms, web scraping is like collecting gems from a treasure. Here the treasure trove is a website and the gems are the data we want to collect. Web scraping automates this process, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always scrap ethically and respect the website's policy. Now, why IMDb? Because it's a goldmine for movie enthusiasts and data analysts alike. We will extract movie titles, release year, and rating. It sounds exciting, right? Okay, now back to Jupyter Notebook. Let's start by importing our tools. First up, request. It's like our browser in Python, helping us send HTTP requests to websites. Next, we have BeautifulSoup from BS4. Think of it as our data extraction tool from the HTML soup we get from websites. And lastly, Pandas, our go-to library for data manipulation and analysis. Our target is the URL, which lead us to the top 250 movies on IMDb. Now here's a crucial step. Setting our headers, especially the user agent. This make our request look like coming from a real web browser, not a bot. It's like wearing a disguise to blend in. Next, we send a GET request. If all goes well, we will receive the content of IMDb page. Here we check if our request was successful or not. A status code of 200 means yes, you are in. Anything else means it is not successful. After fetching the page, it's time to parse the HTML content. This is where BeautifulSoup needed. We will now fetch different pieces of data like the movie titles, release year, and rating, whatever we can get from here. Now we will find all the div from soup which have the class name and the same as mentioned in inspect here, as you can see. So same we will put and we will run it. As you can see, in this movies arrays we already store 250 movies name. Like movie's name, same way we will find also the year and the total time of the movie. As you can see, we get these two things attached, so we have to split it. Just follow these steps to split it. That same way you have to repeat again. Now we will find that rating. So like same way we find the span with the class name of as mentioned. So here also we got the rating and the number of rating are attached. So we will split it. So follow the steps to do it. Now we will take one loop. Its range will be 0 to the lane of movie's name, means 250. You saw how we will extract all the data by splitting and replacing in array. So that all thing we will do with condition. Like first on condition we will put text length must be greater than 3, then it will collect the year. After that if h in year, so that's mean if hour in year. Like same way we will check minute is there or not, and we will add all these things together. and we will store all this data in array. Now we will create all array and we will store in it. After that, we will create one data frame and we will assign all the columns name with their values. After that, we will import this data frame to a CSV file as the name of wow.csv. As you can see, it is saved and all columns are here. And if you check, all data is also here. So like this way, you can scrap. And there you have it. Our data is now in a CSV file, ready for any analysis or just to impress your friend with your Python skill. Thank you for watching this tutorial on PyGorithm. I hope it was as fun for you as it was for me. If you have question or suggestion, drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Python magic. Happy coding and see you in the next one.